Check out this 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche LS. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are suspension package, premium smooth ride, 4-wheel drive, alternator, 145 amps, suspension, front coil over shock with stabilizer bar, suspension, rear multi-link with coil springs, steering, power, brakes, 4-wheel anti-lock, 4-wheel disc, key, single, 2-sided, fascia, front color key and cargo cover, rear rigid, 3-piece composite, stowable on board. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.